unusual twist in Hawaii's legal process. The death penalty could be an option if Michael Mischke is convicted and the federal government pursues it, despite the practice being abolished here in Hawaii. Sam Spangler spoke to a legal expert who explains why in a story new at 10.
Hawaii abolished capital punishment back in 1957 and is one of only 2 states to never have the death penalty. While federally it is not unprecedented, it is very rare. It will be up to United States Attorney General William Barr to pursue the death penalty against Michael Mischke. The United States hadn't executed a federal prisoner since 2003, but that changed Tuesday when the Justice Department executed Daniel Lewis Lee for murdering an Arkansas family back in the 1990s. The Supreme Court approved another late Wednesday night.
I think Bill Barr, being the person that can give that can green light the death penalty in this case, I think Bill Barr will do it.
Usually, federal prosecutors won't pursue a death penalty case in a state where there is no capital punishment. The last time in Hawaii was during the 2014 murder trial of Naeem Williams, a soldier who was sentenced to life in prison for beating his 5-year-old daughter. Lawson believes the egregious nature of the indictment today is reason for another exception.
When you look at this indictment, right, and you look at how thick it is, part of the reason why you can go for the death penalty case like this is because these guys were doing so much crime. They were so notorious. If you read the indictment and believe what's in it is true, by the time the jury hears the death part, they don't like these people anyway.
In addition to the arrests today, 8 other people believed to be involved in criminal activity have been served target or subject letters. HPD and the Honolulu prosecutor's office tell me none of their staff have received a letter. Although officials have not identified who they are yet, Lawson thinks we will see that unfold as investigators work on cases against the alleged conspirators.
When you have these individuals that are facing life sentences, the question becomes, what information can you give us, the federal government, where we can go lighter on you, right? And don't tell us about people lower than you. We want to know people higher than you.
Now, if the Attorney General decides to pursue the death penalty, Mischke will have a jury trial with a separate trial for capital punishment. You can read the entire indictment on our website, KHON2.com. Sam Spangler, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.